In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Before you start, you should know that you're going to need a special scan tool to recalibrate the engine after you're done this job. We're going to disconnect the battery, taking off the negative terminal, use a 10mm wrench. Just loosen this nut up. That loose, slide that off and out of the way. Down here we can see where the crank sensor is. There's a little lock tab right there. You want to push that lock tab towards the passenger side of the vehicle. You might need a pick. Just going to use some needle nose pliers. This lock tab broke, which is okay. Just got to pull it out. There we go. Hopefully yours doesn't break. And you're going to just push down on the tab. Slide that off. So you're just pushing down right there. It slides out. The little lock clip should go underneath that. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take that bolt out. It's right above it. It's right there. Take that bolt out, grab the sensor, just wiggle it back and forth, and it slides right out. Take the new crank sensor. You can put a little silicone on the O-ring. Make sure it goes in without rolling. And slide it in position and just push it down. Make sure it's lined up. Take the bolt, get that started. Right. And we'll torque the bolt to 80 inch-pounds. It's good. Now we're going to connect the battery. Slide that over. Then using the 10mm wrench, snug this down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. After all this is done, you want to use a scan tool, clear out any of the codes, and perform a cam crank variation relearn.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.